No.
I'm recording a helicopter.
Well, so am I.
I'm gonna rip people home. I'm gonna say this, and someone else is gonna see this, and they're gonna get pissed. I said it. And YouTube's gonna flag this just because it's like so many bad words. I like how you can feel the air coming off of it. We should do like put our cameras together and we can make it 3D.
Dude, how long do these phones record for?
Mine will go for like 15 hours. This is Owl City. Jake in advance, since this is Owl City and you'll probably see this, they're gay. That's my shout out to Jake. What are you doing, Matt?
It's up in the fan.
Honestly, if you ever get a pilot's license, I demand you be drunk when you fly. You're having like way too much fun with it.
Sawyer's liking it.
Oh, bitch! Did he get it?
Yeah.
I thought he actually grabbed it.
He died.